Hey, how's it going, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a different video. It's going to be my first product review video. I had the opportunity of owning two different mics at the same time, and I felt like I needed to do a review on them, especially because one of them you can't really find a review on, and that is the Roxy microphone by Headliner. The only one that I could find was a highlight video from the company itself, and I just felt like it was necessary to do something, especially because I just acquired one of the more popular microphones, the HyperX Quadcast S. And I just want to clarify, it's not so much a review video as it is a comparison video between the two mics. And the whole point of this is for you guys to make up your minds on what you feel sounds better to your ears, and at the very end of this, I will give you my final thoughts and let you know which one I'm planning to keep. So let's go. So right out of the gate, we got the Roxy. Comes with a user manual, comes with a stand, the mic, a USB-C to USB-A and USB-C cable, and a lightning bolt adapter for iOS. It's designed and catered for you to utilize it in all applications, and also for both PC and Mac and Android. So that's a plus. The Roxy is a dual condenser with both cardioid and bidirectional applications. All you have to do is press the button on the top and you'll be able to switch between the two. It also has a gain level, a volume level, and a mute button. And at the bottom, you have your USB connection, your headphone jack, and a 5/8 mic mount. Right now I have the Roxy connected right here. I took it off the stand. I currently have it with a bunch of filters, because I don't care what mic you have and how fancy it is, you're gonna need filters. And if you're an audio pro, you could tell me otherwise, but my experience thus far with OBS and mics is that you need filters to make it sound decent. So right now I'm gonna take off all the filters on the Roxy. So this is my voice on the Roxy without any filters. And I'm just gonna stay quiet for a little bit so that way you guys can get some ambient noise and see how it sounds. It seems to be really sensitive, and especially if I move this piece right here, I'm sure it's picking up all that stuff. But now you were listening to me earlier with all the filters on. Let's put the filters back on so that way you guys have a nice distinction. So this is my voice on the Roxy with all the filters on, and this is how I sound. How you guys doing? How's it going? You guys doing all right? How are your earlobes with my voice? The filters that I have on are just three. I have the noise suppression, just a default, compressor, default, as it comes, and then noise gate. I have it negative 56 dB, negative 50 dB, and then the rest of it is default. What do you guys think about this one? Let me know in the comments down below. Moving on. So next up, we got the HyperX S. Let me get that right. HyperX. So next up, we got the HyperX Quadcast S. I'm rocking it right here, the same distance, same place as I had the Roxy. So out of the box, the Quadcast S brings user manual, contact information, 3/8 to 5/8 mic mount, the microphone with stand, and a ridiculously long USB-C to USB-A cable. It has a mute button on the top. It has a gain control function at the bottom, and all its components and knobs are in the back. You have a headphone jack, you have the USB adapter. So it's called Quadcast for a reason. It has stereo mode, omnidirectional mode, cardioid, and bidirectional mode. The mic is equipped with a shock mount, which is very nice because when I move it like this, you could barely hear it. I'm sure you could get some feedback, but it's not as bad as the Roxy. So that is a huge bonus. Having this thing right here, just it's a game changer. With the Roxy, I would have to buy some different attachment and everything like that to make it work. And with the placement of the Roxy, where it has all those buttons, it's just hard to get like a shock mount like that wrapped around. It would probably have to be on the bottom. Like I did for the Roxy, I'm going to do it for this one. I'm going to take off all the filters. So this is the HyperX S without any filters, bare bones, as is. And what do you guys think? This is my voice. How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. And now I'm going to do a quiet game so that way you guys can get some ambient noise and silence. But once again, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And here it is one more time with all the filters. Again, I have the exact same filters that I had on with the Roxy. Nothing has changed. Everything's the same. And here's my voice with all the filters on. All the settings are the same, just as I had it for the Roxy. Nothing's changed. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of each one. Which one sounds better to you? Have you guys heard of either one of these products? Have you heard of the Roxy by Headliner? Have you heard of HyperX? So this is the part of the video where I give my final thoughts and conclusion of everything, of all my findings, and reveal to you which one I shall keep. Drum roll. Okay, I didn't have a drum there. Da, 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 da. I decided to keep the HyperX S, despite the fact that it has a long, ridiculous name that they need to simplify. Thus, I have for them, for marketing purposes, call me HyperX. But I decided to keep this one because I really like the way my voice sounds with it, especially with all the filters on. It just has some depth to it, some real nice deepness to it, and I feel like it captures and harnesses my voice completely, all the inflections and things like that. I really like the sound of it. I like the versatility. I like the shock mount that it comes with it. You can't really beat that shock mount. It's, you know, it's so awesome that it comes with it. And I can move the mic freely, and I don't have to worry about the sound, the vibrations coming to the mic, and it's, you know, it's great. And then I like all the different features that it comes with, especially 4 different functionalities that I can switch between in the mic, things like that. It is RGB. That's one thing that I forgot to mention earlier, that it is RGB. Not that that matters, but for some it does. Not for me, but it's convenient. It's cool to have an RGB thing because it makes me feel like, you know, hey, I'm a gamer, yeah. But I like the fact that it has USB-C, and that's another thing that I like about the Roxy, that it has a USB-C. But I feel like there's longevity here. It has some future proof with it. I like the USB-C adapter, but that's why I decided to choose this one. Both of them have their cons, you know, things like that. Like this is pretty big. It's pretty cumbersome compared to the Roxy. The Roxy is smaller, more lightweight. It's portable. Both of them are good mics. It's just, at the end of the day, I just like the way my voice sounds on this one. The Roxy doesn't have a shock mount. It's real sensitive. I like that it has different components, you know, but it has 2 features on it, so that's cool. It has audio adjustment, which is cool for the mic. The HyperX does not have that. It has gain control on the Roxy and this one. I think the Roxy might have a better gain functionality, because this one, the HyperX, you can't really tell that it's working. It does work, but it's very minimal. It's not very crucial. It doesn't do as much as the Roxy would. The Roxy, you can turn it and you could see where the levels are going and stuff like that. This is just kind of like, hey, you got little dots at the bottom, good luck. And here's the caveat, right? The Roxy is $120 right now on Amazon, but the HyperX S is $150. There is a cheaper version of this, by the way, that is not RGB. It still comes with the same capabilities and stuff like that. The only downside is that it's a USB 2.0, but you still get the same benefit. You still get all the same things, and it's just I think that one's $109. So that was my personal choice. You guys can make your own choice, but yeah, that is my review in a nutshell. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like this video. Smash that like button if you did. Leave me some comments down below, your thoughts of either mic. Let me know if you guys would like to see more videos like this, because I'd be down to make them, because this was fun. And yeah, let me know if you guys are planning to get either one. And yeah, subscribe and share with your friends, because why not? Sharing is caring, yeah. But until next time, much love. Peace out.